Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Heiken Ashi Strategy, a powerful tool that can help you cut through market noise and identify trends more clearly. If you are tired of feeling uncertain about your trades or struggling to stay on the top of the market movement, this video is for you. So by the end of this section, you would have a comprehensive understanding of how to use the Heiken Ashi to enhance your trading strategy and potentially boost your trading setup for your strategy. So I would advise you to stick around until the end of this video to learn how to harness the full potential of this incredible technique and take your trade to the next level. So by installing my Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern, my Heiken Ashi chart pattern rather. The Heiken Ashi is a Japanese candlestick based trading tool that helps traders visualize trends more clearly by eliminating market noise. The name Heiken Ashi translates to average bar in Japanese. This reflecting this reflects its use of average to smooth out price movements. This technique modifies traditional candlestick charts by using a unique formula to calculate each candle open, close, high and low prices, making it easier to identify trends and reversal. So let's see how the Heiken Ashi works. The Heiken Ashi formula calculates the candle open, close, high and its low, and this is what the formula is about. To calculate the Heiken close, we need to use the open plus the high plus the low plus its close all over 4. The Heiken open is calculated by the previous Heiken Ashi open plus the previous Heiken Ashi close all over 2. The Heiken high is calculated by the maximum of high and the Heiken Ashi open or the Heiken Ashi close, while the Heiken Ashi low is calculated by the minimum low, Heiken Ashi close open or the Heiken Ashi close. This is typically what the formula is. So let's look at some key features of the Heiken Ashi. The Heiken Ashi charts are particularly useful for identifying strong trends and potential reversal. A series of green candles without lower shadow can indicate a strong uptrend. A strong uptrend happens when you see a series of green candles without lower shadow. It indicates an uptrend. As we can see, this is a series of lower green candles without lower shadow. This indicates an uptrend. While you see a series of red candles without a low upper shadow, this indicates a downtrend. This is basically what it's about. So let's look at the ultimate Heiken Ashi trading strategy. To effectively use the Heiken Ashi in your trading, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you identify the trend. You start by analyzing the market on your 4-hour time frame or your daily time frame. For this example, I will use my 4-hour time frame. We'll look for a series of green candles. When we see a series of green candles, we see a series of green candles to identify uptrend and a series of red candles to identify the downtrend. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation of your trading direction. How do you enter? Once you have identified the trend, you wait for a pullback in the uptrend. You look for a red candle that quickly turns green. This indicates potential buying opportunities. Conversely, in a downtrend, you wait for a green candle to flip to the downside to turn red, signaling a potential selling opportunities. And in this area, if we had seen these two candles, we would have seen if we have seen this, okay, in this area, as we see these 3 candles without lower wick, we wait for a bearish candle to quickly turn green. When it turns green in this uptrend, we would want to enter our buy trade at this area. This is where we enter our buy trade in this area. To confirm your trade, it's essential to confirm your entries with other indicators. You can use one effective method can be the moving average. We can make use of the moving average, simple moving average, the EMA. You can use the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. So quickly, I will set my EMA to better understand this strategy. We'll add both the 20 EMA and we'll add the 50 EMA. This will better help us to gauge what the market is trying to tell us. On the lower time frame, if the shorter EMA is above the longer EMA, it is an uptrend, and if it is below in a downtrend, it supports the Heiken signal. As you can see, the shorter EMA, which is this blue line, is trading above the longer EMA. This further strengthens our bias in this time frame. Remember, when the 20 EMA crosses above the long-term 50 EMA, it signals buying potential. So this is what made us enter the trade, and it further confirmed our trading setup. Then when you have executed your trade, you wait for additional confirmation, additional indicators to enter your trade in the direction of the trend. For example, you can use an uptrend, you have to look for a pullback. That was why we looked for a pullback by looking for this green candle before the candle changed to its direction, and it pulled back to the line, it pulled back to this moving average. So combining your moving average, the other indicator, with your Heiken Ash candlestick chart pattern, this further strengthens our bias. Our stop loss should be placed systematically or strategically. You can use the previous low or the lowest point where the candle reversed from to set your stop loss. You can also use our average true range to set our stop loss. This helps us to protect our trade from unexpected market movement. So setting my stop loss at this previous low or below the EMA is a good spot to give the trade enough room. To take profit, you set your take profit just before the previous swing high. Just before the previous swing high. If this area is my previous swing high, I would set my profit just before that area. This is where we set our profit target. So this is a sharp 1:2 risk to reward trade. This ensures that you capitalize or you capture a significant portion of the trend while minimizing exposure to potential reversals. We have to ride the trend by staying in trades as long as you see the Heiken Ash candles without shadow. The more you see the Heiken Ash pattern, chart pattern without lower shadows, you can keep riding the trend. And as we can see, until we see a shadow, this is also a way to exit your trade. So in all this area where we got to a 1:3.34, we can see that it made no shadow, but the moment it form a shadow, we can decide to leave the trade. The moment we spot an upper or lower shadow, a lower shadow in terms of an uptrend, and an upper shadow in terms of a buy trade, a sell trade. Now let's look for a selling example. This is where we would enter the trade. We enter the trade the moment we notice that the lower EMA is trading below the higher EMA. This is the lower EMA is trading below the higher EMA. This is where we would enter our trade when we see a series of 3 consecutive bearish red candles without a upper wick. This is where we enter our trade. We put our stop loss just above that level, and we ride this wave until we see a reversal or until we see series of candles forming higher wicks. So at this area would be a good place to leave the trade, or we can also wait for price to come in contact with the moving average before you exit your trade. When you see candles with both upper and lower shadow, it's time for you to tighten your stops or consider exiting. This could signal a potential reversal or consolidation phase. This is basically how to capitalize on the Heiken Ash with other indicators to make it more useful to us. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.